My husband has early onset dementia, and we are quickly approaching the point where I'm going to need to take the cell phone away, and I need one of these. Thank you to the brand for sending me this sample. I wanted to answer some of the questions that you probably have about this and whether this is the right product for you, because I know they were questions I had, because I am working hard to make his life as simple as possible as the disease progresses for him. So I'm just going to go through and answer the questions and show you some of the features, so hopefully I can help you decide if this is right for you. Obviously, one of the reasons that I wanted this is just because it is so simple and easy to use. Very big, large buttons, and here at the top, there's the SOS button, and it will automatically call 911, okay? And then you can program in 2 other numbers that all they have to do is press that, and it will call your wife, it'll call your daughter, or whoever it is that you need them to call. What I'm actually going to do is I have a label maker, and I'm going to put labels either on the button or right above the button, again, just to help him remember what each button does. And it won't just say like Carol, it'll say call Carol, 911, just to remind him of what each button does. It does have a pound and a star button for those things that you need those for. Down here at the bottom, there is a redial, so they can press that and automatically redial the last number that they called. The flash button is maybe you started dialing the wrong number, just hit that flash button and it hangs up and gives you a new dial tone. And then the store button over here is just how you program these buttons up here, what they do. The ring volume on this is really good. You can have it either set to low or high. And then over here, the handset volume also has 3 settings for you as well. Whether you're looking for a phone for a senior in your life or somebody who has dementia or Alzheimer's, this is a really great option, because if you're working with somebody whose cognition and executive function is declining, you understand how nervous you can be about them having a cell phone where they can buy anything and do anything, right? So there does come a time in a day that you have to revert back to something like this. And I was trying to remember the last time I had a landline in my home, and I honestly couldn't remember. So this is definitely something that was great for our family. And for me, if this is something that you need for any reason, this is an easy yes.